Created by Dr. Benjamin Bloom, the digital taxonomy is a tool for teachers to help promote higher levels of education for students. Newer forms of technology has opened the doors to better and more informative teaching methods. The taxonomy describes three domains of learning: cognitive, which makes up all the mental skills of a student; affective, which address the feelings or emotions of the students about the learning; and psychomotor, which involves the physical skills. The focus of this video will be on the levels of the cognitive domain. The lowest order thinking skill is called remembering. As its name suggests, at this level the only concern is being able to recall the information being studied. It is very important to the Blooms because it is the base on which the rest of the levels will be sat on. A good example in the subject of math is knowing the numbers before being able to use them in a formula. Understanding is the ability to comprehend or understand the meaning of something. Simply knowing something isn't enough. You must understand the meaning of what it is or what it does. In math, this can be as simple as understanding 3 plus 2 equals 5. Applying involves taking the knowledge and understanding of said knowledge and using it to solve situations, building upon what abilities have already been mastered. Such as given the problem 5 plus 7. A student must remember what 5 and 7 are and understand that the plus sign means to arrive at the solution 5 plus 7 equals 12. Analyzing is the ability to break down knowledge or a problem into its basic parts and consider what each part does and how they relate to each other. In math, this can be as simple as looking at 8x equals 16. Analyzing the problem allows the student to pick up each part apart to help arrive at the solution that x equals 2. Evaluating is the ability to use parts of all past levels to judge the knowledge based on a set of criteria or standards that was developed earlier. The simplest form of this is grading a paper. If the problem looks like this, 10 plus 12 equals 120, using skills from the previous category, one can recognize that plus means to add, not multiply. Creating is the final ability in Bloom's. The other 5 categories give shape and structure to the knowledge, but here is where things can be arranged to create different outcomes or something wholly unique. In math, this can be used to rewrite problems to make them easier to visualize or teach a method in a new and more interesting way.